Namaste Bharat. I'm Dovuri Vatsalendra, Senior Lawyer, High Court of Telangana. I've discussed about cyber offences and the repercussions that remedies are also available. Any data which is available on your phone, if somebody must have spoken ill about you, used foul language, or has been doing nasty things like circulating your pictures or any data available or something that you must have posted on a public media which is your personal, that content is misused, you can always go under cyber laws. Now let me tell you something. We often misuse the mobile when it comes to public platforms like WhatsApp or Instagrams or any form of these days I see that boys and girls are very active on chat applications or some personal applications like friendly application, a friend application. I am not so aware of these things until and unless somebody approaches me for the offenses where they are growing relationships on the social medias, which is not really healthy for the society. However, the young generation do not understand. They feel this chatting application and such social platforms are comfortably available for their passe time. I can say majority of the youngsters do that by having flings, affairs, multiple affairs, and landing into problems. When I speak of problems, let me discuss. Most of the girls are taken away by trusting a person who is totally a stranger. I have seen number of cases where such boys, unknown stranger boys, ask these girls to post something which is not right. When I say not right, it is something to do with the person of the girl, her personality and body. They make a request constantly to share the nude pictures or sometimes even pictures while they are taking showers or the videos, and innocently trusting these guys, the boys, the girls send their videos, which I warn everybody out, you young girls, never do that. He's never known to you, and any boy who is interested in you and he's honest will never request you to post or send him such videos or even want to see you naked, which means he has no healthy mind at all. And once such trust is invested, the girl's life is at stake. Please understand that these things should never be done on social platforms. Now, when we talk of developing relationships over phone, which means you have never seen such person, you don't know about his family background, you don't get to know what kind of friends and relations he has or she has. I'm not saying it is only with boys, it happens to boys also. I'm sorry, I stand corrected. It doesn't happen to only girls, it happens to boys too. Now girls also put all wrong profiles and this dating apps, chats, they give false information. They really put wrong pictures. They don't put their own pictures. Both of them, both the genders I mean. And then you start trusting them. There are not even true and real telephone numbers exchanged. With this, you should know that you are believing a person who's fake. He either reveals a wrong information about him or her, or is somebody who's cheating on you. Now, these relationships end up mostly in a nasty way of cheating each other, or where the boy must have deceived the girl or the girl must have deceived a girl. There are many stories that which come to me saying that they got friendly online and then the boy asked the girl about money. He wanted some money and he would return it back, or he wanted something of these nude pictures and all with a promise to marry her, and he circulated such pictures with his friends and made some money. There are multiple things which are going on. My request is, the current days, with all sorts of things happening in and around us, I think we should awake, rise, keep our eyes wide open to know the truth and reality. The reality is always bitter. So don't believe a person until you meet them, see them, meet their families, know their background, look at their identity cards, look at their surroundings, make a proof, ask them for their identity cards and everything, until, and even try to speak to their elders and parents. No harm. If you are rejected, it is better to have a rejection than end up in some great difficulty of putting your whole life into jeopardy. As such, be conscious with whom you're talking, with whom you're going around and trusting, and never trust a boy or a girl who is asking you money. They are the cheaters who are going around to cheat upon you. Equally, girls, please do not trust a boy who is asking and making demands of sending your naked pictures or multiple pictures, stating that he would want to see your beauty and all. Beauty is not showing your nudity. Beauty is when the man respects you. The person who wants to take you as a wife will never ask you to do such nasty and vulgar or rather cheap things. Even he must be having a mother, sister or a future daughter. He will always try to protect the woman with whom he wants to live rest of his life. So beware of all these frauds and fraudulent things that they are doing, and be careful with your own life. Keep your dignity, keep the dignity of the families. Do not do something on the public platforms which is not decent and commendable. I hope you all understand and act accordingly in your personal interest. You are a person special to yourself. Respect yourself, honor yourself, show the world that you are a potential and strong person, and keep your character up. Namaste.